what can go wrong, man, with from sellers and investors side? Wrong, I mean, like, what are the potential things we should, like, we wanna make it good for us as sellers, and investors want to make some money as investors. So how can we, what can go wrong? How can we avoid it? How should we think?
You know, as an exchange, there are about 41 alternative trading systems out there, ATSs out there in the world. You know, some of them: New York Stock Exchange, ICE, New York Mercantile Exchange. You know, these are exchanges you've heard of, NASDAQ, whatever, right?
Hmm.
With this particular exchange, we can mitigate business risk, meaning we have rules in place to make sure that the sellers don't do illegal stuff or foul play, like I said earlier, like get on a platform and put garbage inventory up or dump the price after they get the money and things of that nature. We have rules to protect it in place. You know, we're at the moment, all new sellers can only sell out 90 days of futures. Okay. At the moment. Second, they can't drop the price more than 1% of the 2 week high low at the time of the execution of trade. They can't drop their PPC spend, their ad spend, more than 1% of the 2 week high low at the time of the trade. These are just small rules we put in place just to protect certain things. Any
Hmm.
offer that they create, the product has to have at least 90 days worth of sales history and no more than a 2% return rate.
Okay.
Okay. For now, we're protecting our investors by putting these rules in place. But I can't, as an exchange, I'm not here to fix market risk. What that means is I invest in 100 pieces of Tide detergent. Tomorrow, I was supposed to get for $15, but tomorrow it's sold for $14.96. It falls within that range. That's my risk. I'm making less. Or when I invested, it was selling 100 a day. But for the next 2 weeks, all of a
Yeah.
sudden, I'm only selling 70 a day.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's my risk. I bought 100 shares of Amazon. I bought them at $300. Tomorrow it went to 275. That was my risk on the exchange, on the stock market when I bought it on Robinhood. There's always risk.
Yeah.
I'm not sitting here and saying there's no risk. This exchange works because of risk. There's no reward without the risk. That's why you have companies like Cabbage and OnRamp and all these lending companies. I love them, but let's be real here. Who is on the back of that platform? It's banks, it's institutions
Mm.
that are investing, giving you money on your receivables, what you've already sold. Well, why would I take debt, make monthly payments to you at 10% interest rate for shit that I've already sold? Excuse my language, but I've already sold it. Why am I giving it to you? Wouldn't mind giving you my future sales though.
Mm.
I haven't already sold, but I'm not going to give you something that I'm already expecting Amazon to pay me in like 4 days. Why would I do that? Unless I'm dying for capital, which there are many cases where, lending helps.
Yeah.
But we introduced risk and we said, hey, trader, you like crypto? You like stocks? You like commodities? How about consumer goods? There's risk, and that means there's reward. Because Vova, Shawn, my wife, we're not getting on a platform to make a 4% interest rate. There's no fun in that. No fun in that. When you introduce risk, you get people interested. You get investors interested. Oh, I could make 10% in a month. Oh, I could make 2% in a month. Oh, I could diversify my portfolio. I always wanted to get into e-commerce, but I don't know how to create a business. I have a job, 9 to 5. Execute a couple of trades, sit, wait, let the passive income come. Can I lose money? Yeah, I can lose money. I can lose money in everything. I can lose
Mm.
money in real estate, lose money in stocks, lose money in any business. But I could pay it this much. The products exist. The products have been selling. You have the stats in front of you. In my opinion, risk is relatively low in comparison to crypto or some of the other asset classes out there.
Yeah, I understand because we can see like also the uh, well, as sellers, of course, maybe as you said, maybe say your wife, maybe she's not gonna go to Amazon to use like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 or Smart Scout to check the previous sales, etc. Although she might, but a seller can go and see the history of the product, see the the reviews, the recent reviews, and do all the stuff that we sellers do to understand like, okay, this seems like a good bet to me. I might lose money, of course. This is the idea of an exchange. It comes with risk, and fair enough. But since I understand this ASIN means like this product, let's say, I see that there isn't a there is a chance that since for 3 years it's been, I don't know, on average selling 50, 30 units a day, and it might drop off to zero, who knows, or it might go up, nice, but most likely just might go in the same pace. Hence, I'm taking the risk to invest into its 100 future sales. The seller will get the money immediately, and I will wait until the seller gets paid. So then they understand the exchange will, uh, I assume, take the money from. Can you explain that part as well, please, Shawn?
Exchange
Like,
does everything. You don't have to do anything. Once you get
oh, that's nice.
executed on a trade,
Yeah.
okay, the trade executes, the money goes from your wallet to the seller's wallet.
Right.
You now own the securities, the rights against those future sales.
Yes.
Every time one sells, you will see it in real time. 1 out of 100 sold, 2 out of 100 sold, 10 out of
Mhm.
100 sold. You will see that in your unrealized gains. It's a gain, but you haven't realized it yet because Amazon hasn't paid the cash yet to the seller. Every 2 weeks, the system settles when the seller gets paid. As soon as the seller gets paid in milliseconds, that same time, the system pulls that money on those specific sales and gives it back to you, the investor. Everything automated. You don't have to do anything. You don't
Mhm.
have to sit in front of the screen all day. You buy the rights, you buy the stock, the shares, you let it fly. Come back every day, check your dashboard, see what you made that day.